Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're going to do stage 11 of Model Space's Build Your Own Ford GT40. Okay, so stage 11, like last time, there's not a lot to do, but there is a little bit more to do than last time. So these are the parts we get and we're going to be working with today. As you can see, not too much to do. So we'll just crack these open now and get cracking on with them. Let's cut them out. We do get two different types of screws. We get FP02 screws and FP03 screws with this one. And yeah, basically all we're going to be doing is attaching these two together. So these two parts has got a key slot part there and a little notch here. This is going to be going into here, around this way, even into there, like that. And we're going to screw it in from the opposite side. So we're going to want to use the FP03 screw for this, which is the one with the flange on it. So if you can make that out, it's got a little flange on there. That will help that stay in place for us. So we're going to screw that into there. Screw it all the way down. Just like that. And we should have this now. We've got this central column piece where we can start putting the chairs on. Okay, so I'm going to bring in the left chair first. And we're going to use these points on the back of the chair. We've got a pin screw point here and here. They're going to line up with these 2 points on here. So all we have to do is line them up, click them into place. Let's take a little manoeuvre in, but they do go in really nicely, just like that. I'm going to put a screw here and a screw here. And these are FP02 screws you want to use for this one. 2 of them. And then we can screw these down into here. So there's one. Now I'm going to put the other one in this hole here. Just like that. So we've got a screw here and here. Now we're going to bring in the right chair and we're going to do exactly the same. We're going to click this one onto here, just like we did the last time. So lining that up, getting the screw holes into place. And there we go. There we go. So one screw here, one screw here again. So I'm going to leave that way. These are again the same screws we used for the last side, which are FP02 screws. So that's that one in, and now one down here. And there you go. That's all the screws that we use for this issue. It should have something that looks a little like that at the moment. So the only thing left to do is bring in the central column piece that we've had, I believe, since pack 1. And we've had this all along and we have not used it yet, but we're actually going to use it today. And this is going to go on here. So we just slot this down in the center and pushing that into place just like that. And there we have our seats all ready to go. So this is the backs of the chairs where the heads would go. This is where the legs would come down just like that. Fantastic guys, that is stage 11 all complete. And we now have our driver's and co-driver's seat all finished and all repaired, ready to go in our Ford GT40 once we started making the actual cockpit area. So we're just going to put that to the side for the moment. We don't need that again for the rest of the pack now. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.